If you've ever needed to remember an important conversation, capture meeting notes, or keep a reliable audio record without constantly pressing buttons, you know how easy it is to miss the moments that matter. Traditional recorders can be bulky, obvious, or keep recording long periods of silence, making it harder to find the information you actually need later. That's where the XIXI SpyQ37 Mini voice recorder comes in. This compact recorder is small enough to fit almost anywhere, measuring just 3.4 by 3.4 centimeters and weighing only 11 grams. It even has a built-in magnet, so you can easily attach it to compatible metal surfaces when you need a hands-free recording setup. One of its most practical features is voice-activated recording. Instead of recording empty silence, it starts capturing audio when voices are detected, helping you save storage and making playback much more efficient. Recordings are saved in WAV format for clear audio, while playback supports both MP3 and WAV files. If you need more flexibility, it also supports an external microphone. Getting your recordings is simple thanks to OTG support for both iPhone and Android devices, making it easy to transfer files directly to your phone. Before your first use, just charge it for about 2 hours using the included data cable, and you're ready to go. Whether you're recording lectures, interviews, meetings, or personal voice notes, this compact recorder offers a practical way to keep important audio within reach. If you'd like to check the latest price or learn more, you'll find the product link in the description. It may be worth taking a look before availability or pricing changes.